Let's make an easy peach cobbler pudding. It's similar to banana pudding. It has layers of vanilla pudding, Biscoff cookies, and peach cobbler. So the next time you make peach cobbler, make 2 pans so you can make this recipe. So let's start off in a mixing bowl. Pour in half and half or whole milk, and we're going to be adding 2 packages of instant pudding, the regular vanilla flavor, and French vanilla. So since we're not using the directions at the box, we're going to make a really thick pudding. So mix as quick as possible and try to get out all those lumps because this pudding thickens up really quickly. So when your mixture is nice and thick, we're going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to just grab our Cool Whip and we're going to fold that in 3 parts. So that vanilla pudding comes out so nice and fluffy. Let's move on to that peach cobbler. So this is a peach cobbler, an old-fashioned style that I made in a previous video, but you can use any peach cobbler you would like. You can also just saute some peaches. I talk about that in the blog post. Now instead of vanilla wafers, we're using Biscoff cookies. It's so good in this peach cobbler pudding. A 9x13 or an 8x8 baking pan, and then we're going to add a layer of that vanilla pudding, about 1/3 of the mixture. Scoop in the chilled peach cobbler. Add a layer of Biscoff cookies. Top with another 1/3 of that fluffy vanilla pudding. Smooth it out really nicely in a single layer. add in the other half of that chilled peach cobbler, a layer of Biscoff cookies, and then the last third of that fluffy vanilla pudding. Spread it out into a nice even layer. I like to garnish with some crushed Biscoff cookies. Some caramel sauce would be delicious as well. And then after that, we're going to be placing it into the refrigerator to chill. I recommend overnight to really soften up those Biscoff cookies. I hope you try this delicious peach cobbler pudding. You can find the link to all the recipe details in the description box. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.